Hi, my name is Nikki Warren and I'm a yoga therapist and yoga teacher from upstate New York. I'm super excited to be announcing my second retreat at Anamaya Resort, February 28th to March 7th, 2026. If you live somewhere cold like me, February-March time is the perfect moment to make a little escape to somewhere sunny and warm. Get away from the cold, the gray, the dark. 4 p.m. darkness does a lot to our mental health, let's just be real here. And so having a week away is the perfect opportunity to reset and reconnect, which is my theme for my week at Anamaya. A little about me, I've been doing yoga since 2012. I've been teaching yoga for about 7 years and working with one-on-one yoga therapy clients for the last 3 years. My specialization in my yoga therapy practice is stress management, burnout, and nervous system recovery. So it's from this knowledge and experience that I'll be offering 3 workshops in addition to my daily morning and evening yoga classes that you can join in to deepen your practice and truly reconnect with yourself. The 3 workshops include Deep Reset, which is a restorative yoga journey where not only will we do some deep restorative postures, but we'll also explore and create a toolbox for stress management. The second workshop is Open Heart, Steady Mind, where we'll explore heart-opening asanas in relation to reconnecting with compassion through one of my favorite Buddhist meditation techniques. And lastly is Yoga for Real Life, which is taking yoga off of the yoga mat. We're going to dive deep into philosophy, in particular the yamas and niyamas, and have open conversations about what it means to live your practice and how to apply it into this crazy, stressful world that we live in. I'm super excited to be back at Anamaya for my second retreat, and I hope to have you there to join me. Please don't hesitate to reach out with any questions, and I look forward to seeing you in Costa Rica.